guys, today we're gonna be playing Subway Surfers. You know I'm a noob because you can just see I helped Jake. I can get info. Oh, I want to suffer, but I don't have enough coins, so we're gonna be playing. But my oh. In Subway Surfers happen you install from Play Mods. The trains just wait for you, and there's no way to go to the me section like I did. But if you install it from a app called Happy Mod, you can get unlimited everything, and it's just as normal. And you need to install the one on the bottom, then install the one on top of it if you want to get unlimited jump and unlimited at the same time. You already got like 104 coins in this round. And tomorrow it's a very excited day because I'm going to Legoland tomorrow. So I won't be able to make a vid tomorrow. But back to Subway Surfers. Enough talking about the real world. Oh, I got that jump thingy. Oh, I got the super sneakers. I forgot about that. Just gonna keep on playing until I lose. Just feel like playing Roblox now, but I can't. Oh, Flash. And I got the jetpack. As you can see, the summer games is removed because Cyber did not have permission to do that, so the owner of the Subway Surfers removed everything related to summer games. And even the logo of the Paris Update 2024 changed from a lot of balloons on the screen to just a green landscape that has a farm and the Eiffel Tower. And the Eiffel Tower is just behind those buildings. Oh, no one hurt. Oh, I lost. Oh, I got a new high score. Got 7,000. Got Jake's break hand. No, add. Oh, you can even get achievement. Need to change the United. Yes, select country. I selected Egypt, even though I'm from India. I feel like changing my language. Change it to play. Oh. Free Robux. I feel like you can install it, but I'm not sure if it's pro enough. As you can see, oh, I already had it up. Robux rewards, Mine Connect, Stick and Inspire. Those all said that we get free Robux, but those are all scams. Only Robux rewards is true, but I'm going to get it on Wednesday, even though I actually went on Roblox. Need to go inside settings. Actually got back on our program. But today is Sunday. No, I'm not falling for that. Already. Oh no, I don't know that. I ain't buying it. No, it doubles our score. Good 5 times multiplier. Let me check if I unlock the events. Oh, no. Let me just change it back to boy. I want to change it back to Korean. Let me just restart it. No, man, not robots. Researchers. Don't load. Wait. I only got 7,000, but this is the only character I have. That means I can unlock this. No. But I guess that's all for today. So bye.